Okay, hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I am going to have a small tutorial, quick tutorial rather, in how to make a YouTube channel easily and very quick. So let's start. So before anything else, we are here in Google because you have to make your Google account before you can be able to have your YouTube channel. So first, let's make a Google account. So since I am already signed in, let's just have another let's make another account so that you can be able to know how to do it, like from the very start. So we have to create an account. If you don't have, this is there is two option for you to make your Google account. It's for yourself or to manage for your business, and I suggest you do that one for yourself. So first is your your first name. So yeah, let's have, for example, your name is YouTube and your last name is Channel. Let's have that one. So you have your first and your last name, and then next is your username. For example, you have the YouTube channel. Okay, YouTube channel, and then next. Okay, some of the names are not allowed. Maybe it's already like they're already have the same, YouTube channel or whatever. 100, 1000. Wow, we got a name. And if you don't know what name you're going to do, there is actually available names here. You can use that one. And next is, this is very important, you have to make your YouTube password. Funny 123, just example, that is your password. Just for example, let's try if this is already accepted. Okay, since it's already been accepted, so you already have your Google name, Google account. Then next thing to do is to put your number in there so that your Google account would be verified. So let's have your number there, and then recovery mail is it can either be any other app you're using, any accounts that you are using. So let's have, what's the date today, for example, then your gender male, and then next, and then you go get your phone. Now that you already put the number in there to verify your account, then you click the send. So the Google will going to send a verification code to your phone number, to your phone. Yeah, and then now we already received our verification code, and then just copy that one and then verify. Yeah, I agree. And then voila, you already have your Google account. Next, it doesn't mean that if you already have your Google account, you already have your YouTube. No, it's not. Okay, since you already have the Google account, then let's proceed to the next step. Go to the YouTube. Okay, now that you are already here in your YouTube account, it's not also mean that you already have your YouTube channel. Okay, next thing that you are going to do is create a channel so that you already have a channel. Now your creator journey begins in here. So this is actually the beginning of your new life. Now let's get started, and then as you can see, you have to choose what you're going to use. You can either choose your YouTube name, your Google account name, or you can either choose different name in your Google account. In your YouTube account rather. You select that name. And if you want to change another name, then you choose the custom name. So for now, let's just make the one that you use in your Google account. And now you already have your YouTube account. And next is that you are going to upload a photo. Use a photo or picture that's what you wanted to people see. For example, since your account is YouTube channel or for the funny memes, then you can have, for example, let's have my face is funny, so let's have that one. Okay, so let's have that one. And then you already have your photo, and then a description, like what is your channel about. For example, I have this is just an example, as the description of what channel, what is the content of your channel. For example, funny video 101. Okay, it's up to you, whatever you can be able to put in there. And then you can also add links in your Facebook if you want people know the links of your Facebook. If you have Twitter, if you have Instagram, whatever links that you wanted to put in your YouTube channel, then you can have that one. And then last thing to do is do not forget to save and continue. And then you already have your YouTube channel. So next thing that you are going to do is to customize your channel. Why? Because in customizing your channel, you can add a channel art. What is the importance of channel art? When looking at YouTube, and then when people like your content, some people go to your YouTube account, and then this is what they're going to see. If you're just going to put your profile picture without the channel art, then it's kind of missing something. So in making a channel art, it's actually it's not too easy to do it, because if you're just going to put a single picture, for example, you are going to put that one like a random picture that you like, you'll see what will going to happen if you are not you cannot be able to here the size, the 2560 1440 at limit of 6 MB. You can see if people were going to look at your YouTube in their TV, then it's actually good. They can be able to see your whole body in it. But if people are going to use a laptop or a PC or desktop, they can only see your stomach part. Or if they're using their cell phone, it's kind of the same in the desktop and mobile. So you have to remember to to make a channel art that is good, that is very suitable in the sizes. So you have to I actually make this a channel art. Okay, this is what I make, and if you want me to, in my next video, I'm going to focus on how you're going to make that one, so it will going to be seen the entire screen in the desktop, in TV, or in the mobile. Your YouTube art will be very it's really be seen in any angle that they're using, in any apps rather that they're going to use. Okay, next is that, okay, congratulations, you already have your YouTube channel with profile picture and your channel art. What's next is to go to your go to home first, and then next step is you are going to go to your YouTube studio, because I'm about to tell you very important tips in how you're going to make your YouTube channel. So you are going to go to the YouTube studio. Okay, not all YouTubers did this one. It called the branding type. Okay, as you can see in some of the video you're watching in YouTube, there are actually small picture on the lower right portion on the screen that it's seen like subscribe or like the video, like that. Okay, you will going to see this one. Okay, go to the channel rather, and then here the basic info. Before that, before we go to the branding, let's have the basic info. Okay, the keywords. Why is it important to put the keywords? This is actually one way to tell the people, whether in many other places, and it's easier for them to see your video. For example, they're going to look at like how to make a YouTube channel. Then you put how to make a YouTube channel. Name of funny videos. So it's a funny, and then tab. See, it's already been there. Okay, click always after the word that you want to put. Always click the tab button. Next, movie, tab, or funny. Okay, and funny movie. And next is that do not forget to put your channel name in your keywords. Okay, your channel. Okay, and then add anything, whatever you're going to add, and then the place, Philippines. Okay, for example, you live in Philippines or whenever you live. Alright, next is go to the advanced settings. Okay, this is very important that you're going to put this one as no. And if you make your content as for kids, then yes, this video is for a channel is for the kids. Or if it's not just for the kids, or any people can watch that one, then click the button. And then and if you don't want to people to see your channel count, then don't click it. For me, it doesn't matter. And now let's have the branding. Okay, as you can see in this part, you have this one, the branding. Okay, very important to remember that the branding size is here 150 times 150. In limit, the limit of that picture is actually 1 MB. So yeah, I actually create one specific branding like this, like and subscribe. And then you have, if either whatever you want, it's in the end of the video, custom part. I suggest that you put that one in the entire video. And now you already have your branding. Now, congratulations, you already have your YouTube channel. Okay, next thing first is that you are going to upload a video. Okay, what to upload? What video you're going to upload, it's actually up to you. What video you are good at, like your hobbies, the content, YouTube channel. Making a YouTube channel, you have to identify your niche. Niche is the one that you are good at, the one that many people is want to look at that content. So for me, my niche is about gaming. I also help people to make your YouTube account, thumbnail, and branding, and YouTube art. Then that's my niche. If you want cooking, then do cooking. If you want makeup, then do makeup. And then if you want to lifelong journey, you want to travel, then put that one as your niche, or whatever you want, or you're happy to show the world how good family you are, then you can do that. And next is that you have to remember the equipment you're using. Okay, what's the equipment? Okay, it doesn't matter if you're using a phone or a laptop. It doesn't matter as long as the lights is very good. You have a good light, a good camera, and then a good internet source. Because if you don't have a good internet source, then your video will go okay, I'm not going to lie to you, but some of my videos sometimes rather it's actually lag because my internet is not too good, but it's actually fine as long as you have this good this editing source or like that. And next is that if you already have your video, you already created your video, do not post it yet. Of course, you have to edit that one. And I suggest that you are going to use a Filmora. Okay, Filmora is actually, it's easier, and you not all of you have the account or the code, but if you want to have the code, and then I'm going to actually give a free code, Filmora code rather. I'm going to give random to my subscribers. If you already subscribe to my channel, and then after this video, if you're going to comment me, if you're going to comment me, I want the code in Filmora, then I'm going to send you the code. Actually, but not all of you, but I don't know if I'm so good. Then just kidding. Yeah, I will give you a Filmora code for free. Just subscribe to this channel, like the video, comment in this YouTube channel whatever you wanted to ask for me, you wanted to let you know more about YouTube channel, then feel free to to comment down below, and let me know your wishes. And then next thing is, if you're talking about monetization, okay, relax, it's not yet the time, but yes, I'm going to tell you first. You're going to monetize your video, your YouTube channel, if you already have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hour. If you don't have that one, then no, do not sign to the monetization. But some of the YouTuber already signed monetization, even if they don't have YouTube, so 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch time, then they don't. But it's actually up to you. But again, being a YouTuber or making a YouTube account, it doesn't mean that you have, if you already have like 1 subscriber in a month or 5, do not give up, because making a YouTube channel, it's not too easy. But if you want, if you're into it, then your life would be easy. Be consistent, be positive, and always continue to pursue your dream. Okay, so yeah, I hope this video helps, and yeah, do not forget to comment down below all things they wanted me to make for you. So yeah, see you in my next video. Bye.